This is Buddy. Sheldon found him about a week ago.
This is my best animal friend, Buddy. He eats this for lunch. And likes drinking.
Cat food.
Let's give him some food. Yummy, huh, Buddy? Thirsty, Buddy?
He's a blue jay.
Yeah, Buddy.
Can you keep him in one place? Maybe you could put him in his box and show how he flies up. Or actually jumps up.
Come on, Buddy, jump. I knew he was gonna jump. Good
He can jump
boy,
pretty
Buddy.
high. He jumps higher than that, but he's just having fun here.
Hey, Buddy.
He was hopping all over the porch yesterday,
Let's
running around.
see what I'm doing on the ground.
He may just go on the ground.
There he is. He's gonna go. Oh, look at him. He's so